Uy, bitch! Ano
Oh,
pala? Mari, kumusta ka naman?
okay lang naman ako, Mare.
Nakita ko post mo sa FB Sensa ka na.
Hindi naman, Mare.
Sasabihin sana ako, Mari.
Ano yun?
Manghiram sana ako sa'yo.
Yun na nga ba yun? Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh.
Tuition lang, Mari.
O magkano ba kailangan mo?
Meron ko bang 500?
Ang laki naman. Para saan ba yun?
Babayad ko lang tuition.
Ano ba yan? Mamaya, hindi mo na naman yan babayaran eh.
Promise.
Ito na nga. Oh,
Thank you, Mari.
bayaran mo yan agad ah.
Oo naman.
Feeling ko talaga di ka magbabayad agad.
Magbabayad.
May interest yan ah. Dodoble yan kada isang buwan.
Grabe ka naman, Mari.
Eh, ganun talaga. Baka hindi mo ako balikan eh.
Sige naman. Thank you, Mari.
Alright, so Frances borrowed 500 pesos from Archie with the agreement that for every month she fails to pay, the debt will double. So, let's break it down. First, let's identify all the given information. Since the current value doubles each month or will repeatedly multiplied, let's use the exponential growth function to find out the value. So, f of x equals a times b raised to the power of x. A represents the initial value or the starting amount of debt, which is the 500 pesos that Frances borrowed. Meanwhile, the variable b serves as the growth factor, indicating how much the amount increases each month. So Archie mentioned that the borrowed money doubles monthly. That means our b value would be 2. Finally, x represents the independent variable or our input, which is the number of the months. It is not yet known, so let's find out how many months it will take for Frances to pay her debt. Saan na ba yun? Sabi niya dito kami magkikita eh. Saan na ba yung babae na yun? Sinasabi ko na nga ba, wala yung planong magbayad eh. Tapos na nga. Uy, Mari, ano na yung utang mo? Magtatatlong buwan na.
Sige, babayaran ko na. Magkano
Oh,
yun?
di ba may interest yun? Madodoble kada isang buwan. Nasa 4K na yun ngayon.
Grabe naman, Mari.
Eh, ang tagal mo akong hindi binayaran eh. 3 buwan na yun.
Sige na nga, ito na.
4K. Yan, pakita mo yan. Nakita mo yan. Maraming salamat. Huwag ka ng utang ulit. Di na kita papautangin. Tagal-tagal magbayad. Alright, so now we know how many months it took for Frances to pay her debt. Now, let's find out how her debt grew that much over the span of 3 months. Earlier, we already have this. F of x equals 500 times 2 raised to the power of x. Now, let's put our first input, which is the first month. First, let's compute that 2 raised to the power of 1, which is still 2. Then, 500 times 2 is equal to 1,000. Next, the second input, which is the second month. So, 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 2 times 2, is equal to 4. Then, 500 times 4 is 2,000. Lastly is the third month, which is the total months where Frances were able to pay her debt. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Then 500 times 8 is equal to 4,000. So Frances' debt really did grow up to 4,000. That's really huge. That's how a function is applied in real life. So, what's the moral of the story? Wag, utang gusto ayaw bayad, aray mo. Thank you for watching.